So here's the problem. We teach people that they're no good at maths. By building a set of excluding myths about what does and doesn't count as being mathematical. We insist that mathematical reasoning are internal and conceptual processes, that they happen in private as we work quietly at our exercise books on our own work. Collaboration is cheating, standing up is disruptive. We conflate maths and neatness by insisting that it takes place in these really constraining little boxes. And if you're not neat, the implication runs, maths isn't for you. And then, when we move to secondary school and maths gets harder, these constraining little boxes get even smaller. Maths is experienced in a way which is passively punitive and actively risk-averse. The importance of arriving at an end product hijacks the learning process. Show you're working, but most of all get to the right answer. And so, generations of children are schooled to think that they can't do maths because they can't perform it in this narrowly defined way. They become alienated from their natural, tacit mathematical skills, the maths they do impulsively, emotively and enactedly, just through their everyday being. The mathematics of the artist, the musician, the sports person, the disco dancer are left unlegitimate and othered. We leave people vulnerable and anxious about their own ability at maths, but offer comfort in enveloping them in a cultural permissiveness which almost celebrates poor mathematical prowess. And yet we are surprised. We wring our hands and lament underachievement in mathematics, at the lack of aspiration and engagement, and the looming skills gap. In this project, we will create a platform to experience maths in ways which will intentionally disrupt some of these dysfunctional cultural tendencies. We will break out of those little squares to create an installation in which people engage with mathematics in collaborative, creative, and experimental ways. It will ask participants to do mathematics with their whole bodies. Reaching, peering, peeking, stomping, jumping, climbing, dancing will all become as valid a mathematical process as a written equation. It will be underpinned by puzzle and game mechanics, and overarched by a story to give it purpose and orientation. Through this experience, we will aim to make people feel more mathematical, more connected with their own natural abilities as mathematicians. In its own small way, our installation will help to construct a more positive mathematical culture, which in turn will support aspirations and achievement. And offer one solution to that problem, that we teach people that they're no good at maths.